In the picture to the right, you can see a schematic diagram. Recall that a schematic diagram shows the wiring and components of a system. L1 and L2 are the wires which go to and from the power source. L1 is the hot wire. It carries 120 volts to the components. L2 is the neutral wire. It carries 120 volts back to the source. In this graphic you can see the hot wire, L1, enters on the left side of the schematic. L1 brings power to the 11 terminal of the contactor switch. L1 also brings power to the CHS. This same pattern continues throughout the diagram. The hot wire will carry the voltage to each component in the diagram. L2 acts as the neutral wire for the circuit. You can find the neutral wire in the diagram at terminal 23 of the contactor. On this diagram, you will find the ground wire symbol in the top left corner. You will also find a grounding symbol on the outdoor fan motor, OFM. Note that the schematic diagram also includes the color of the wires. Above each wire you will see a label like YEL, which stands for a yellow wire. YEL, or BLU, stands for a yellow and blue wire. In this module, we explained the importance of a wiring diagram for wiring. The wiring diagram will show you the components in a system and how they are wired.